Hi there, students. Toil. Toil means hard work, hard labour. Toil is either an uncountable noun, I wouldn't say a toil, or a verb, to toil, to work strenuously and continually. A hard slog, a grueling task, an exhausting manual labour. I've been toiling all day. He's toiling in the fields. He toiled in the hot sun. Okay, so work, but work hard. Hard physical manual labour. You can also use metaphorically to mean to proceed with difficulty, to struggle. He toiled up the steep hill because he was tired, so it was hard work for him. He toiled along the road carrying a really heavy suitcase. Okay, so doing something that's difficult. Yeah, but it's normally physically hard. Yeah, I guess you could have mental toil as well. Notice there is another meaning of toil, but this is pretty unusual. A toil is a net or a snare, something to catch animals, but this isn't really used nowadays. Toil, hard work, hard slog. Yeah, he toiled. Some people believe that toil is good for the soul. Yeah, when work becomes toil, maybe that's a little bit too much. Yeah, I don't mind working in the garden, but toiling, well, maybe it's a bit more than I'm into. Let's see, this word toil, it sounds a little bit old-fashioned, a little bit literary, and it's ever so slightly formal. I guess you could use it in an informal conversation in the pub, although you might use hard slog, hard work, something like that. I'd probably give it a 5.5 to 6 informality. Notice as well, to toil is a regular verb. He has toiled all day. He toiled at building the wall. Okay, this word toil comes from a Proto-Germanic root, tilona, meaning to strive, to aim for, to hurry. So I can see the link between the two. All toil and no play make Jack a dull boy. Well, the real phrase is all work and no play, but toil sounds probably quite good there. So, toil. Well, it's something we all have to do from time to time. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Toil.